Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. It's Rubina's lecture. Today a very important news for the candidate who have not yet applied for UGC NET June 2020 exam. NTA has further extended the deadline for the application of exam on or before 31st May till 11:50 pm. Initially, the date of submission of application was April 16, which was extended till May 16, but now the deadline have been pushed forward till May 31st. Human Resource Development Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishant has declared the official notification of extension of date on official website. So the notification has been released on 15th May 2020. In the revised date for the examination of online application form UGC NET 2020, that is our 31st May 2020. Submission of online application form shall be accepted till 5 pm and submission of fee up to 11:50 pm on 31st May 2020. So students who have not yet applied, please apply as soon as possible for your examination on or before the 31st May 2020. So stay tuned to my channel for more notification and updates.